Supra, bro. Good morning. Welcome back to another day in Dezi life, you guys. We're back here again. Happy New Year to everybody. We are out here in Atlanta, early morning. Everybody's still pulling up. People are still walking in. And I am about to get ready to record all this. This is nice. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go find everybody. Bye. Everybody, they pulling up. I see some Supras. You already know I'm gonna go see them. It's about that time. I'm looking for my buddy. Here go Glass Tiger. Oh, what's going on? Hey, guys, you already know what time it is. This is that Supra. You motherfucking look. That baby looks so cute. We got all the Lexus out here. We got more people pulling up. We got people standing outside ready to go. It's about that time. Everybody's out here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop and do some pictures. Like always, we out here with the camera, and it's the first meet since I couldn't do it on the first due to holiday reasoning. I'm in here. Where do I get all these pictures? This is a lie. It's just a lie. All right, y'all. We'll see you in a little bit. They want you to be able to post a live because they want people to stay on their app. The more people that stay on the app, the longer people stay on the app, and that's how they make money. So the more video you watch, the longer the video you watch, they make more money off of that.
Yeah, you can get on TikTok and be on that bitch.
You already know, this is my weakness, Supra. It's like so fucking nice. Speak 8. Ooh. I wonder if he let the door open. I would fucking open his door. No, I'm just kidding, y'all. Oh, they got rims for free? Oh, yeah. Look at this, baby. Good. That baby look good. What's going on, man?
I'll show you where I parked. I'm actually
Give me 1 second. I'm still doing a video. Okay. Guys, we out here, but we is all over the place. Like, I'm trying to take a picture of everything. Look at this old school Toyota. That's pretty neat. Yeah, it's yours?
It's my husband.
Oh, it's your husband? I like the wrap on it.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Pretty dope.
APC right there.
Oh. Yeah, that's dope.
Cool, huh?
Yeah. Welcome back to another day in Dezi life, you guys. We're here for a good time now, a long time. Thumbs up, subscribe, and letting you know about more. Share your video, my video with everybody.
I'm Steve.
Steve?
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Steve. And can you tell me about your car?
Yes, a 1987 Toyota Van LE, also known as a Wonder Wagon. They called it back in the 80s. And it's an automatic transmission, 2.2 liter, fuel injected. And,
Can you tell me about the modification you did to it? I see a different wrap.
only cosmetically.
For real.
As far as power, it's all factory. It's all original.
Okay.
I just cosmetically altered everything.
Can you tell me about the color of the
Yeah, this is a Hexus Super Chrome Blue wrap. For the main for the body, and this is
why this color?
I forget, honestly, I forget the brand on this right there, but you got your carbon fiber look sort of thing going on.
Mm-hmm.
Gloss black here, here, and here. Windows are tinted. Pretty standard stuff. You know, got some trick lighting.
Can we do this one more time? And thank you for coming, you guys. And this is.
I'm Steve.
All right, thank you, Steve. And how can you tell me about your car?
This is a 1987 Toyota Van LE. It's all original as far as no power modifications, just cosmetic only. Got Hexus brand Super Chrome Blue for the body. Some gloss black from Avery 3M, and I believe this is I forget the brand on that, but it's carbon fiber look.
Mm-hmm. Why this color?
I saw a car wrapped in chrome blue one time and fell in love with it, and said to myself, if I'm ever going to wrap a car, it's going to be that car. So,
how long you had this car for?
About 10 years maybe.
10 years?
It was my daily driver for a while, and then I decided to turn it into a show car owner. So.
Okay, so what's your daily driver?
Right now it's something pretty boring. It's but very reliable. 98 Camry.
Okay.
I'm a Toyota guy.
There's nothing wrong with that. I'm the Toyota chick too.
Yeah, I had a Supra, but I sold it. Should have never done that.
Oh man, what year was your Supra?
It was 93.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I know.
How many miles does this car have?
247,000, I think.
247,000 is still running?
Oh yeah.
Very dope. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. 87. Oh, back. Got a tag.
Reaching the inside. Oh, look at this one. I like that color. Look who just pulled up. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's an LS4. Okay, you backing me up. My bad, bro. That's really cool. It's pretty. This shit's nice. Come on, bro, so I can give me a picture. Guys, we still have empty parking lot out here at the beginning of the month and nobody's here. Everybody's still coming. We have a whole show out this bitch. Excuse me. Excuse me. No, you're fine. Sorry, guy. I'm gonna come through. Thank you. My bad. Oh my god. Look at this cute ass Burberry. Look at that damn ugly though. Oh, you could back up some more. You could definitely back up some more. I'll tell you when. Go ahead.
I got no camera, yo.
No, you good. You good. You good. You good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh yeah, you good right there then. Oh yeah, you're fine. You're welcome. I know you can have so much fun. Can I get you in it? Smile. Hold on, I got anything yet. No, come on, ready? 1, 2, 3. No. Appreciate it. Huh? Okay, yeah, definitely.
And look, this is what it started out as. Hard to believe.
fuck out my ass. Yep, he don't want nobody touching it. Ooh. So look at this, the Aston Martin.
Thanks to our
Yeah, I told you.
wonderful sponsors. They love cars as much as you do. So please support them. Go by and say hi. Check out what they got to do. There's some really great products at the Atlanta Detailing Supplies, Chemical Guys. They've got some really great stuff for sale over there. Black Rifle is selling some coffee. Check out our food vendors along the back row and stop by and see Nally Lexus Roswell. I know we got a lot of Lexus people here, so stop by and see what they
Oh, this is nice.
Oh yeah, come and buy something.
Guys, he's gonna start this car for me. Can you rub it for just a little bit? Ah! I'll be your favorite Asian. Oh! Well, he's cleaning her pipe today. Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh! You're gonna attract all the people to come over here to do a video. You heard that, baby. It sounds so good. You wanna do an interview?
I can.
Okay, so we're gonna you just introduce yourself, talk about the car. You don't have to say it's yours or not. You just, you know, give me details of the car, any modification done on it, just let us know. All right. Welcome back to another day in Dezi Life, you guys. We're back here at another car show this morning. We here for a good time now, a long time.
My name is Bradley Hemp. I work over at Magnum Collision Center. We specialize in working in Aston Martin, Rolls Royce, Land Rover. We do Lamborghini, Ferrari, any of your big names, stuff like that. And today we're going to be looking at this Aston Martin V12 Vantage.
All right, can you tell us about the car?
The car, it's a 2012. Okay, there's only 300 of these cars with this color. This is the Silver Fox Gray. Now, with the Silver Fox Gray, it being a rarity, this is even more. It's got the 6-speed manual transmission, and there's only one. This is one of 100.
Wow.
Now, whenever it comes down to the motor works, the V12 in this is a 6-liter. It's naturally aspirated. It doesn't have really any kind of modifications done to it. It's not flash. I mean, everything is just as it's bought. Now, the interior of the car is custom. The red stitching, all the suede red leather, all of that is done by Mags Upholstery. Now, you come to the back. One thing about the V12 Vantage, especially for the 2012 model, is that it's so classy. So when it comes to being classy, we want to show up like it. And that's what Aston Martin did with this.
Okay.
Now, Aston Martin was owned by Ford at the time, so I'm gonna give you guys a little hint of something. Okay. You look at the window line right here, and let's pan over to this Mustang. Look at this window line. So Ford went ahead and took things from the Mustang itself and put into this car. The only reason why is because they wanted to make sure that they had their copyright into it. They wanted people to realize that Ford owns this company. Now, as far as the cosmetics and everything in this car, everything is as bought. These This is not the S. The only thing that was added to this car though is the hood, which this is the Vantage S hood. Now, the Vantage V12.
Give me one moment.
Now with the Vantage V12, the hood normally comes just flat. There's no carbon fiber, no nothing added to it. We went ahead and switched out the hood just because we wanted the better look. Now it does have air wheels also, which is an additional package that you can add to the car.
How many inches?
These are, I believe, I forgot how many inches. So these are 255 19s. Okay. In the back, we have. We got 295 20s in the back, which is definitely needed, especially for the amount of power this car puts out. And that's pretty much it.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Like, oh, this is such a. Can I make this? Your company have insurance, right? I'm gonna take the car. Sound like that cow is dying. I feel so bad for it. I know I feel relaxed.
Yeah, you just gotta pull it out.
I did. I can't feel it. Oh, okay, here you go.
As a supercar or an exotic sports car. There's hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars in these alone. It's insane.
Sorry.
Very desirable.
Somebody's ready for a war.
The fact that it's street legal makes me very happy.
And they got this passenger telling where to go. Oh, this is the party tank? Oh, wow. Sorry, sir. Oh, yeah, this is the party tank. Where's the liquor?
You know how much you gonna get. We have a damn first base TV in the back.
And the roof come off? Oh my god. They out here this morning with this.
Trucking in style, huh?
You know what I mean? But he lost it, so he can't get caught.
The whole gang of them. Guys, I do not have my tripod out here today. I nor do I give a damn. Got these GTRs. Oh, look at the Lambo. If you hit me, I hope you have insurance. Oh, he over there with it though. I guess that's a new thing that everybody's doing, is driving little cars around. This is clean. Oh, this is clean. Ooh. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry.
You can do all kinds of stuff with RC. Sled ski? Dude! You did! Good, you?
Sorry, y'all.
Wow, I come to these meets all the time. Yeah. This might.
We got all the. Sorry.
Every time I turn that camera.
Everybody's over here looking at this baby.
I don't even know who that is.
He brought all his cars out here. What's up?
He ain't got the drag pack on though.
Gotta go all the way back over there.
Sorry, bro.
You're right.
I'm mainly ain't playing no Young Doff music.
Carbon fiber splitter and a giant Rolls-Royce Cullinan SUV boat with the Atlanta custom wrap.
Sorry.
Yo, boy. Whoa, there's that dude sticking out of his roof. He's got a good view.
Yeah, buddy. Now let me get on it. I'm just kidding. He probably be like, hell no. Never. I just dust sprayed on here. I want to do a video of all that car, but we have to come back when everybody is leaving because everybody do it. One with Young Doff name on here is the his, and then the one with the numbers under Young Doff name is the replica. So we will come back and see that in a little bit. Guys, I'm trying to get like he had the whole drone, the whole set on top of his Porsche, and he got the whole running on there. I'm waiting for this to die out so I can literally walk, show y'all the video of all the cars. I should came out here first. Wait for all this to die out because everybody just want to look at it. Come on, y'all, let's go. Let's go. You already know what time it is, you guys. Excuse me. Thank you. Excuse me.
Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Josh, look at the back. Look at the back, Josh. It's like a really wide on
That weed smells so good. Excuse me, sorry. Gonna come through real quick. Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry. Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry. I got 2 more cars. I'm sorry. Thank God. Okay.
Part of it, we're filming some people. How he inspired. This is it's an AP too.
Excuse me, guys. Sorry. Guys, we almost done. I'm about to leave. It's like there's no need for all this. I'm about to dip. So tired. It's cold out here. It's cold and I'm tired. Cold and tired. And I did not do my hair. I didn't care about none of this. Oh, look at that GTR pulling in. Ooh. Okay, we see you. That's super. Y'all seen this in my photography work, but we're gonna see up close today. The color change. Excuse me.
Hey, I'm having a boarding party on the way. It looks great.
This baby dog. What year? What year?
21.
21? I need that camera. He got the real camera. I got the wrong one today. Excuse me. Thank you. Sorry. I need your camera. I need your camera. I got the wrong one. He said it was fun. No, it's not. I do watch the cartoon though.
Oh yeah, it's a great cartoon, yeah.
Excuse me. Oh, go ahead. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry.
It goes directly down the middle of the car.
Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. Ooh, you gonna know how to drive your car? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that out loud.
House on wheels.
Sorry, guys. Excuse me.
Good.
Hey, you missed it. Your front laughing, his front. Yeah, yep, I got each other.
What's the license plate on this so I can come to their house? You guys, this is the umbrella. The whole umbrella. Oh, I said, look, don't touch. Oops, my bad. Is his? Can I open this door? Okay, I just wanted to open it. I'm not gonna go inside. How long you had it for? A few months? Okay, okay. Thank you. I'm gonna close it back up. Okay. Heard. I don't feel like buying no caps and stuff from them. So I'm definitely gonna come in line and get some free stuff for you guys. If you guys not here today, y'all missing out. Usually more people. Not a lot of people showed up because there's a lot of empty spots out here today. We do have the ACW custom wrap. They did the Young Dolph. Y'all ain't seen the video. Y'all see it now. Actually, this is the whole. Ain't really much out here. Like most of the cars are the same from last month and a month before. So it's pretty dope though. Everybody still come out. Got to love it. We went by the daily driven in his car. We don't talk no more. We're just going through everything else now. Yeah, I just been tiring. Actually, we have to go see our buddy today. We have to go all the way out to the other side of town, see our buddy. So let's go through. Porsche. Late to the show, buddy. Oh, you had got it the first time. Drive it like you mean it, buddy. Drive it like you mean it. Nice. There's just so much cars to see. Jeep. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. Look, he got his little new bumper on with the NOS on there. Okay, okay. This window cracked because of that. Oh. Can I see what the back look like? The back and inside look like? You want to park first?
Yeah, I'm gonna park by the.
Come on, I'm gonna jump in. I'm joking. I'm just joking. I'm gonna follow you, bro. Oh, hold on. Can you do that one more time for me? Yes. Okay, thank you. You're good to go. Yeah. Appreciate it, buddy. I love it. Give me a dab. Thank you, man. Really, really nice. How long you had it for? That back look crazy, dog.
Oh, you're gaslight.
This is DJ Rustical.
Yeah, alright. You was right, I was wrong. Yeah, I should've never ever took her home. Yeah, I should've just won. Yeah, fantasy on my phone. Yeah. I know that you ain't got it.
I want to see what it say on there.
Yeah, right. You was right, I was wrong. Yeah, I should've never ever took wrong. Yeah, it was your fault. Yeah, fantasy on my phone. Yeah, in front of back, watching nigga bless you. Yeah, crying on my arm like a nigga wrecked you. Talking about it hard, till the rest of it. Yeah, I should've never ever took wrong.
Appreciate it, bro. Look at them. No way. That's crazy. Alright, I think I'm done. I'm about to dip,
Hello
y'all.
everyone, once again, thank you. 12 o'clock. If you are parked in the central lot, you have agreed to stay in place till 12 o'clock. It is a safety hazard to have you driving around with all these pedestrians. Safety first, guys. If you're parked in the central lot, please stay in place. No revving, no loud music. Mind your P's and Q's. We want to stay here at Town Center. Thank you so much.
Being wasn't it a white? Wasn't your McLaren a different color before?
No.
No?
This is stock.
Oh, this is the other one?
Or this is factory.
Okay.
It's factory yellow.
Okay.
I got the whole double stock, bro.
Guys, look at this. Oh, sorry.
You want to get my phone?
Sorry. I'm hungry. That should be good to go. He had to stay on top of his car, huh? You say he's here, but where is he at? I tried to take some pictures, but some people was being really rude. It was all in the way. So I got my strap. I got a little mini backpack. I got this on. I'm not dressed for today. It's just been so much. He's tall as damn giant ass man. Alright, I'm about to dip. I ain't trying to stay here long. I gotta go see my car anyway.